Hello hunters, I just got a new air compressor. It's a small one. I'm replacing my Harbor Freight little pancake air compressor. This is a California Air Tools ultra quiet compressor, and I just unboxed it. The gauge here was missing the little shield on there, the little plastic shield. So a little damage on that. You can kind of see, I guess it got bumped in shipping or something. But other than that, sticker's a little scratched, but I'm not worried about that. And this, I'll probably just go buy a new gauge and replace it myself because it'd be cheaper than sending it back. But other than that, I mean, it's in pretty good shape. The tubing here is copper, so that's good. It's not plastic like on my Husky. On my Husky it was plastic and it broke and I had to replace it. But everything looks pretty good on here. Steel braided lines, I like that. And underneath on the drain, it's got a quarter turn valve on there, which is nice. Real easy to drain real quick. Comes with a quick connect right here, and you know, looks pretty good. So let's turn on the real reason why I got it, because it's supposed to be quiet. So let's turn on. So it is on, and I'm talking in my normal voice, and it's not that loud. I think I'm going to use this in the haunt this year. I've got one pneumatic going. I think I might use it for that just because it's not that loud. I'm going to stick it right next to the pneumatic. So with the audio and everything else going on, it shouldn't, probably won't even be able to hear it with the audio going on. But let's see how fast it takes, how long it takes to fill up. So we're at 50 psi, almost 60 now. And I believe this is 2 CFMs per minute at 90 psi, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to look and see, but very quiet, much quieter than my little Harbor Freight one that I had that stopped working. It's still going, but you know, all I had to do was attach the wheels and put on the air filter here, and that was it as far as assembly goes. So let's see where we're at PSI wise, filling up. We are about 100 pounds. It's got a nice little handle here for carrying, or for moving around. But so far so good. We'll see how it works with I'm going to be using it on a pneumatic that dumps a lot of air, so I'm curious to see how it works, how well it works with that. So we are now at 120, and there we have it. There, we're done. So anyways, that's my review on California Air Tools Ultimate Quiet Compressor. And I will let you know how well it does on the pneumatic. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting.